businesses are transforming rapidly to become competitive in the marketplace. This means leveraging their own talent and partner ecosystem to deliver better value for customers. Tata Technologies is supporting businesses globally to leverage its knowledge and IP, living its value of one team with customers, collaborating with customers to enhance process efficiencies and implement product innovations. Join the fast-growing tribe of global innovators who are working as one team with customers to develop next-gen products. Learn from the team that delivered a mid-size SUV from design to execution and help them gain market share, surpassing all quality standards. Work with us on vehicle engineering projects and digitally transforming solutions that will enable businesses of tomorrow. Come join us in engineering a better world.